All right. So we obviously have some snow today. So we're gonna be attempting to go after some bluegills and crappies. We'll see how long I can last in the snow. But without further ado, we'll just go after it. Set up some finicky foolers. We got one going already, but just drilled some holes. We'll drop in the live scope and see what's going on. All right, so it looks like this morning that the crappies are all scattered. So looks like I do have one around 50 feet in that direction. So what we can do, we can hopefully maybe just go drop in one of the holes over there. But it looks like we do have fish around, so I'm actually gonna go in the hole. It's right over here. We got a flag. We got a flag. Let's see if he's there. Yeah, he's running with it. Feels like a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh my God, look at that fish. So it looks like he swallowed it. So let me just get him unhooked. I'll get a measure on him, and we'll get this thing back in the hole. All right, so I got him unhooked. Let's see how big the first fish of the day is. Dang, it's feisty. So just over 12 inches. So that's a good solid first fish. Let's get him released. Got a good one here. Oh my God. Look at this fish. Oh, oh my God. That might be 15 right there. Oh. Oh, looks like there's a fish on it right now. Bam, smoked. I'm gonna let him run with it. Let's see if we can just get him. Wow, that was sick. Let's get that out of there. Oh, it's another nice one. Oh, this is just crazy. What a morning so far. I mean, to barely have any lines in the water. This is so nice. I mean, this is probably a 12-incher, but I mean, look at the girth on that guy. Got a big one on the screen here. I mean, they're 10 feet down and 23 feet of water. This is a big one, guys. Oh. Come on. Oh. Don't pop off. Oh, that. Oh, that's a 17. Oh my. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God. I've ever seen. Oh my God. I mean, mouth shut. Mouth shut. It's just under 16. I mean, huh. Are you kidding me? All right, so I'm gonna get a quick picture with this guy and we'll get a release on it. So, I mean, I gotta say, these are the fish that we come out in the snow for. I mean, this almost 16-inch crappie is just ginormous. So let's get a quick release on her. Let her go, let her grow. So let's get a release on her. See ya. Thanks for playing. Oh my gosh. Stay pinned. This is a crappie. Oh! You know, this is beginning to be a day. And I don't know if you can match. I mean, look at that crappie. I mean, can't really ask for much better. There we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that one on the Pinhead. Minnow. He was a Pinhead. Look at that one. Let's get a release. Oh, another giant. Oh my goodness. That's just another really nice. Look at that. Real nice crappie. I mean, this is a day. See ya. Here we go. I was just saying, I'm waiting for one of these to go off. Look at that one. Yeah. get a quick measure on this guy. I mean, mouth shut. 12.5-inch crappie right there. Thanks for playing, buddy. Looks like it might be off to the side. Oh my God. Look at this fish. Huh. I mean, I gotta see how big this guy is. This one's 14, right on the dot. Awesome. Well, there's a hole here. Oh, look at this. Watch this flag pop. Watch it. Oh. Oh, he hit it again. Watch it. Yep. There we go. Another crappie. These finicky foolers are just so awesome. I mean, it's just a simple mechanism. You put the line underneath, flips over, the flag goes up. I mean, the fish doesn't even feel it. So let's see this guy go. All right, I think that's it for us today. So calling it a day. Since the snow has stopped, the fish actually stopped biting. So unfortunately, I thought maybe the fish would continue roaming and staying active, but it just didn't work out that way. So we're heading out. I appreciate you watching and stay tuned for more. Thank you.